Welcome, boys and girls. Let's learn about place value. Place value is the value of each digit in a number based on the place we can find it. Let us start by learning what is a digit. Digits are parts of a number. For example, number 231 has 3 digits. 67, a 6 and a 7, 2 digits. Number 8 has only 1 digit. Where a digit is in a number tells us how much it is worth. Let us start with number 34. Put 3 in the tens house and 4 in the ones house. 34 is 30 plus 4 and it has 3 tens and 4 ones. Number 46. Put 4 in the tens house and 6 in the ones house. Number 46 is 40 plus 6. You can also write it as 4 tens and 6 ones. Put 2 in the tens house and 1 in the ones house. 20 plus 1. That means 21 is 2 tens and 1 1. Let's look at 189. That has 3 houses. A hundredths house, a tens house, and a ones house. There's 1 in the hundredths house, 8 in the tens house, and 9 in the nines house. If we break it up, say 100 plus 80 plus 9, 100, 8 tens, and 9 ones. For number 231, put 2 in the hundredths house, 3 in the tens house, and 1 in the ones house. If we break it up, we have 200 plus 30 plus 1. You can also say 231 is 2 hundreds, 3 tens, and 1 1. Let us look at some examples. Circle the tens and write the number. So we look at all the circles, count 10 and circle it. So there's one group of 10 and there's another group of 10. And there's 3 single ones. So we write 10 plus 10 plus 3. That is 23. 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones. 20 plus 3. If you look at the circles, we count 10. There's one group of 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So we write 10 plus 5, 15. 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. Let's do a fun activity. For this activity, you will need 3 paper cups and a permanent marker. The first paper cup is your ones cup. You will write numbers from 0 to 9. The second paper cup is your tens cup. You will write numbers from 0 to 90. The third paper cup is your hundreds cup. Write numbers from 0 to 900. How many hundreds, tens, and ones in the following numbers? 241. So to use the paper cup, you twist the 100 cups until you see 200 and slide it in the tens cup. Twist the tens cup until you see 40 and slide it in the ones cup. Twist the ones cup until you see 1. Paper cups should look like this. There you have it, 241. It's 2 hundreds, 4 tens, and 1 one. For number 307, twist the paper cups until they look like this. So 307 consists of 3 hundreds, 0 tens, and 7 ones. Well done! Let's look at 652. Twist the cups until they look like this. 6, a 5, and a 2. 6 hundreds, 5 tens, and 2 ones make up 652. Great job! If you want to have even more fun, add more cups. Add a thousands cup, or you can go right up to 1,000,000, even trillions. Well done! Place value was easy. Please subscribe for more fun educational videos. Keep practicing and keep well. Bye!